Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, March 22nd, 2018, and today, in our Tech News Update, we have Google Chrome. Now, in Chrome 64, we had the promise of auto-playing videos that would stop, but it didn't appear on the PC side. It did on the mobile side. Well, we learned today that Chrome 66, which will be the next version of Chrome, is going to have the auto-playing video block. But it will be kind of looking at your own usage, meaning if some websites you go to, you do want auto-playing videos, it will let them go through. So it depends on the habit you'll have with the browser. Mark Zuckerberg finally responding to what's happening in the huge scandal going on at Facebook, and it's really, something that needs to be tackled with. He says that a lot of changes have happened to Facebook since that happened, and that today would not be as easy to steal or get data from users. It would be very limited. And he also says that he's very sorry because they kind of handled this problem with in a wrong way, and that of course he wants us to kind of get back on Facebook and stay safe again, say that we are okay there. So that's kind of an interesting side that we are looking at, of course. But as users are, a lot of users are deleting their accounts apparently. It's creating kind of a stir at Facebook. If you're on the skip ahead, well, there's a new build 17627 that was released yesterday. Nothing much new in it, but of course we will talk about it just a little later here. I will be posting my video on the Insider channel, and we'll be looking at that. So if you're on the skip ahead branch of the Windows Insider program, check it out. Wunderlist is that to-do app basically that existed on its own, was purchased by Microsoft, and in a beautiful, fantastic Microsoft fashion, it is totally broken. As Microsoft purchased Wunderlist, it of course wanted to migrate its servers from, of course, the Amazon Web Services in the cloud to Azure, to find out that it's a pain in the butt to integrate it, and that it's really a big mess. So basically, nothing's working. Qualcomm has explained why the next Samsung phone, the Galaxy S10, will probably not be a foldable phone, and that foldable phones will probably not be seen anytime soon for one major reason. We want a minimum of quality with our phones, and because of the transistor technology that in the display, they say that right now really having foldable devices that would be good and work for long, many years is just kind of a very difficult task, and that we still need to actually advance in that technology before it will happen. Well, an interesting report says that while the cryptocurrency prices spiked at the end of 2017, the rate of cryptojacking, or crypto mining without your consent, was up 85%. So it seems that it follows the price of the cryptocurrency. Netflix is actually making its bug bounty program public, meaning you can make money if you find bugs. Problem is, it's not very generous compared to all the other companies. The maximum amount that you can make on a bug is $15,000. Now, that is still a nice amount, but when you look at Microsoft, that is giving $250,000. It's not the same thing. Google Maps will be updated on iOS first and Android after, and will be able to tell you soon what's the waiting time at your favorite restaurant. How many times we went to the restaurant to see, people waiting and waiting and waiting, maybe not even having any place to stay. Well, Google Maps will soon have that information available. Well, YouTube is having even more restrictions on videos that will have content about firearms and firearm accessories, and it will ban more videos as it wants to have a more responsible approach on YouTube. The dumb comment of the day comes from, of course, this guy, Hadget Pie. It seems he has lots of dumb comments. It's just incredible. He says net neutrality was slowing down and preventing deployment of broadband internet, and that now that is the past. Isn't it the other way around? I'm not sure you are understanding what you're doing. And a research that was actually given to a team to try to do different scenarios of technologies with backdoors in them, because a lot of governments wish that backdoors would exist on some devices. Well, it seems that as they are working on that, even though they were using different types of technologies to try to keep it secure, they say that after several ways of implementing backdoors, hackers seem to always find a way to get in at some point, and that maybe backdoors are not a good idea, which is pretty much what I always thought was a bad idea, was a backdoor. And this was the Tech News Update for Thursday, March 22nd, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.